how is AI used in floor plan processing in wireless networking tools? Let's take a look. So we'll just put in hospital floor plan on Google Images, and we'll put in large sized ones. And this gives us like just basic bitmap images of different kinds of hospitals. And then we can just, drag that onto our desktop and then take that into our wireless network design tool, and let's see what we can do with this guy. AI is never perfect, but let's see what it can do. It can first of all give us a guess of the scale, the metric or feet scale. It can also give us a guess on what is the useful area of the network. That looks actually pretty usable. And it can give us a guess of the walls of the network as well, all based on guesses by AI. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. So pre-draw those walls for me. It looks good. And it even creates a three-dimensional model out of it. So based on this, we can already start doing quite accurate wireless network design, but always verify the scale, verify the wall materials before moving forward and things like that, change the wall materials to the appropriate ones. But it gives you a pretty good starting point, saves you a lot of time. Let's try a couple of other ones as well. What if we I don't know, add color to the drawings or make them otherwise a bit more challenging? I don't know, this guy here certainly has more color to it and stuff like that. So let's drag that into the tool as well, and let's see what it can do. It's also probably a little bit larger as a floor plan as well. Yeah, it's definitely larger. Let's go back to 2D. Okay, so drawing this manually would take some time, even the scope zones, what we call them. So yeah, that actually looks good. So we'll accept those. It grays out the rest of the area. The scale looks pretty good. We would of course validate it. What about the walls? Yeah, they look good too. So we'll just accept the walls as well. Yeah, this looks also like a really good starting point. And now we can start manually planning, do the auto planner, refine the wall materials, double check the scale, that kind of stuff, of course, to make it really good. Is there any other ones? Oh, here's a big and pretty nasty looking one. So let's do that as well. Plenty of colors and yeah, plenty of floor plan area, things like that. Which one was this now? Maybe this one. Yes, that's the one. So certainly the scale looks pretty good. Let's zoom in to double check. Yeah, floor doorway is roughly 3 feet, or so at least it passes my terrible testing. Of course, we would do a more thorough job in reality. What about the scopes? This is a bit more odd shaped. Okay, it left out the courtyard, but maybe that's actually a good thing. But yeah, I think the edges look quite nice, actually. It does look quite nice. Yeah. I guess we're happy with that too. So even from this kind of a floor plan, we got the scale, the scope. Okay, the walls are still taking a little bit of time to calculate, but it would definitely take me a while to manually trace these walls out of the drawing as well. So we'll just take our time and we'll patiently wait for the system to load, which is now, okay? And it will be faster in the production version too. We're optimizing this as we speak. How does it look? Yeah, actually, it isn't bad. It's never perfect, but hey, the walls aren't half bad. There's some missing, but like I would say 98% of the walls are there. So yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. And then we could again do the network design either by hand, with the auto planner, cabling, APs, all of that stuff. You can see it going through the courtyard. Yeah, that's pretty promising. So this will ship in a few weeks' time, but all of these. First, we'll probably bring in the automatic scaling and automatic scopes. Give us like 1 or 2 weeks for those, and then 1 or 2 weeks more for feature preview of the shipping also of the wall drawing. So they will first ship as feature preview, so you will be able to find them here in preferences menu. All right, I hope you like it.